Children, regarding the guidelines, if the ring contains lesser number of carbon atoms than that of the alkyl group attached to it. See, this is the ring. This is 1, 2, 3. So cyclopropane. So this ring contains only 3 carbon atoms. But the alkyl group attached to the ring consists of 4 carbon atoms. If this is the case, that is, if the ring contains lesser number of carbon atom than that of the alkyl group attached to it, then the ring is considered as a substituent. This is considered as a substituent. So, 4 carbon atoms, second group having that ring. So, the name is 2-cyclopropyl, prop means 3, propyl butane. 2-cyclopropyl butane. The next rule. If the side chain contains a multiple bond or a functional group, then the ring, if the side chain contains a functional group or a multiple bond, maybe a double bond or a triple bond, then the ring is treated as a substituent, irrespective of the size of the ring, whether it may be lesser or great carbon atoms. So the IUPAC name is first carbon, second, third, 2-cyclobutyl propanol. Al means aldehyde group, propanol. Next, if the alicyclic ring contains a multiple bond, see this is a double bond present in the cyclobutane. If the alicyclic ring contains a multiple bond and the side chain contains a functional group, then the ring is considered as substituent. The name for this is first 2, 3, second carbon, 2-cyclobutene, ENE, because double bond. 2-cyclobutene, butynyl, 2-cyclobutynyl, 3 carbon atom with the aldehyde group, propanol. Next, if both the ring and the side chain contains a functional group. For example, cyclobutane having NO2 group, side chain, this is the ring, both containing functional group. Here COOH present, here NO2 group present. This is the case. Then the parent hydrocarbon depends upon if the ring as well as the side chain contains a functional group, then the parent hydrocarbon is decided on the basis of the group, that is the preferential order of the functional group. This is one of the guidelines, one of the guidelines. Both contains functional groups, side chain as well as the ring. Then the parent carbon chain decided based upon the preferential group of the functional group. Now, next rule, if both alicyclic ring and the side chain contains the same functional group, for example, cyclohexanol, this one, both containing same, side chain also having OH, ring also containing OH. If this is the case, the parent hydrocarbon selected on the basis of number of carbon atoms in the ring and the side chain. the parent hydrocarbon decided based upon the number of carbon atoms in the ring and the side chain. The name for this one is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, second carbon having OH. So 2-hydroxy propyl, 2-hydroxy propyl. This one is cyclohexanol. This is the first carbon. So cyclohexanol 1. That is 2-hydroxy propyl cyclohexanol 1. If more than one alicyclic ring attached to the single chain of carbon atom, that compound is derived as the derivative of alkene, and the alicyclic ring treated as substituents irrespective of the number of atom in the ring. For example, you see 2 alicyclic rings. So this is the case if more than one alicyclic rings are attached to the single chain of carbon atom, then the alicyclic ring treated as a substituent irrespective of the number of atom in the ring or chain, function as a substituent. If the alicyclic ring is directly attached to the benzene ring, this is the benzene ring. If the alicyclic group directly attached to the benzene ring, then it is named as derivative of benzene. It is named as derivative of benzene. If the alicyclic ring has a functional group along with some substituent on the ring, then the appropriate prefixes and suffixes are used to represent such groups, and numbering is done such a way that functional group is not counted for word root, rather appropriate suffixes are used to represent such groups. This is called as cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. All these guidelines given in book page number 121 and 122, prepare well. All the rules you prepare well and go through the page number 125, 126, 127, 128. All the problem you work out. Check the rules one by one, work out and you check your answers with this book answers, then you will be thorough with that.